Hello guys, welcome to VFix Technology. This is a quick tutorial about how we can install WordPress locally and create any website into our local computer system. So let's get started. First of all, before installing the WordPress, we have to have a PHP environment set up into our computer. So I would recommend you should install XAMPP in your computer. That's one of the popular Apache server. You can download and install it. Since I already have it, let me show you how it works. I'm going to search XAMPP and I will go ahead and click on Start Apache server and start MySQL because WordPress requires MySQL database. Now, this environment is running. We are good to go. Second step, we wanted to download WordPress. So we're going to simply on Google write download WordPress. We got the WordPress official website, wordpress.org, and there's an option of download here. Let me hit download now. It might take some time, probably a couple of minutes. It depends on your internet connection. Let's wait. Great, it is done. We just downloaded the WordPress into our computer from official WordPress website. Let's check it out. Here's the WordPress official zip file. I'm going to cut it. And let's go to the XAMPP. In my case, I have installed the XAMPP server into D drive. In your case, it could be into C drive or wherever you have installed. I'm going to go to XAMPP. Then we'll go to htdocs folder. Then we'll go to any folder what you have made it. I have synchronized according to the year. So there's a folder called 2024. You can make accordingly or directly place your file here. Under 2024, let me paste the WordPress file and let's extract here. Perfect. Let's delete the zip. Now, if you see, this is the WordPress folder. Under this folder, we have the WordPress code. Now, if we see the path, XAMPP, htdocs, 2024, then WordPress. That is going to be the path of our file. So before we jump into the installation part, we are supposed to create a database. So I'm going to say localhost php myadmin. Make sure before you put this path, you're supposed to have the XAMPP server running. Otherwise, you might encounter some error. I'm going to say new database. Let's give any name. I'm going to say WordPress. Great. Now we have successfully created a blank database, which we're going to use in a minute while installing the WordPress. Now, in order to open that WordPress directory, which we have placed into 2024 folder, the path going to be localhost / 2024. That means the directory within htdocs. If you see that, XAMPP, D drive, XAMPP, htdocs. You don't need to type htdocs, just start from here within htdocs. The folder name is 2024, then the folder name of the WordPress, 2024. Then I'm going to say WordPress. In your case, it could be anything. Does not matter if you have installed your XAMPP into C or D drive, whatever. I'm going to hit enter. There we go. If it's not installed, it's going to show us the installation setup configuration. I'm going to select English, continue. Then it's asking for the details. Okay, let's get started. Keep going. Database name, I wrote WordPress. Keep in mind, we created a database name WordPress. It is an empty one so far. I said WordPress. Username, make sure if you have not set up any specific configuration, the default gonna be root. And if you did not set up the XAMPP password for database, it's gonna be blank. Keep in mind, this is very important stuff here. The database name, the user gonna be root, the password gonna be blank. Rest, you can leave it as it is. Database host, localhost, the table prefix gonna be, let's leave it default and hit submit. Run the installation. Now, some details for the site. Let's say my website username, let me say admin. Password could be anything. Let me say 1234567 8. Since I'm using a weak password, I'm going to say confirm weak password. Your email, this is just, let me put a demo one. And do you want to allow search engine visibility or not? It's your choice. I'm going to say install WordPress, and if everything is good, and it should work, and it did work. Congratulations, it's been installed. I'm going to click on login, and admin, the username which I chose, and the password was 1234567 8. Submit. Congratulations, we got successfully installed WordPress into our computer locally, and you can see the website is live. That's the default WordPress theme. If you see appearance themes, that's the default one, 2024, the latest version of the WordPress theme of WordPress. And this is how you can simply create your WordPress website locally. Now you can install any theme, plugins, play around. Once the code is done, then you can inject that code into your database. Hope it makes sense and it was a help for some people. If you see some situation, feel free comment below and let me see if I can help you out. Well, thank you so much guys for your time, and I would really appreciate if you can subscribe my channel. I will try to create more videos to help you folks. Have a good one. Bye for now.